I wanted to test something. I wanted to see how fast I could go from nothing, no leads, no email copy, no campaign, to a live cold outreach ready to generate leads for my business. So I created a Claude Code system that goes through the whole process. In the system, you describe who you want to reach and what is your offer, and the system finds the leads, writes the emails, and pushes everything to your email sending tool. And in the end, what you have is a campaign ready to be sent and generate leads. So in today's video, I'm going to run this live with you and show you how long it actually takes. And spoiler, it's very little time. Break it down exactly how it works and then give you a template so that you can start using this yourself. So let's test this live. Over here, I open a Claude Code window. What I can type is I can type outreach directly. The system will start running once I type outreach, and it will ask me a couple of questions. First off, it will ask me what is the target. For the sake of this, let's do coaches and consultants. And then for offer doc, let's take an example of an offer doc that I previously created. And then we could mention something along the lines of, hey, please take this framework and then based on that, create an offering that is related to offering a free group access to people to the AI Workspace Builders group. So in this way, the system will be smart enough to offer the group as the actual offer that we have itself. It will ask me for how big is the number of leads that I want to reach. So let's do 50 for this campaign, but keep in mind you can do this for however many leads you want. And then it will start searching the first 50 coaches and consulting using Prospeo. So I found 50 leads. Now is enriching the leads directly. So it matches 49 leads out of those. And then we just finished the finding leads aspect, which is pretty crazy because just a couple seconds happened. After that, what we are doing is we are going to the second phase, which is the writing. So it will generate an email sequence based on the information that we give them and based on specific frameworks that I will show you in a second. And now phase two is finished and he asks us for pushing and going forward. So here we can review these emails. So an example of the email is the following: for coaches using AI, I first name, running a coach's business, been doing the same thing over and over, writing content, managing client asks a similar question. Most coaches use ChatGPT for this task, but every conversation starts fresh, nothing compounds. I'm building a small group of coaches who want to change that. We are building AI workspaces system that remember your business and grow smarter over time. Free to join, interested. So this is just an example. Keep in mind this can be enhanced over time also with your own context. So yeah, I would say those are decent to start with. So let's say yes. And now what we are doing is we are creating the SmartLead campaign. We are pushing the leads to the campaign. As you can see, this is happening in real time right now. And then finally, we are pushing the email sequence directly within SmartLead. So the system finished creating everything. If we go now within SmartLead, what we can see is a campaign that has been created over here. We can see that leads have been imported. We can see that sequences have been created. We already have the setup, and then the only thing that we need to do is we need to do a final review and then start the campaign itself. So as you saw here, this took us 5 to 10 minutes in total just with this example alone. Now, let me show you how it's actually built. And by the way, you can find the full template so that you can use that yourself within the AI Workspace Builders community. So if I go back here and show you the architecture, you saw 3 different phases. The first phase that we have is the outreach command. So when we run the outreach command, we effectively run the orchestrator of the whole process, which is the one responsible for going to step 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the first phase, what we do is we find the leads. And in order to do that, we use Prospeo. Now, the advantage of using Prospeo is the fact that recently Prospeo introduced a lead database directly within the tool. So in this way, what you can do is you can use a bunch of different filters, which are 40 filters here, in order to find the specific leads that you wanted to. So let's say that I want, for example, I want founders, and I want founders in the United States. So United States here. Let's say that employee count is predefined 11 to 20, and then industry and keyword, let's put software and development as an example. So this research, this different filtering will give me 3772 results, as you see over here. But the beauty about this is that the Prospeo system has an API JSON for developers. So what we can do is we can use this specific request to actually search the database internally. So what I actually did over here for the Prospeo skill is I created a search filter mapping. So essentially, I went through all the different filtering that are present over here. I extracted the specific JSON that is used, and I mapped that out to the system. So in this way, what happens is the system is capable of using the Prospeo search filtering without having to go directly within the platform itself and doing the search every single time. And by the way, over here we have a lot of different filtering. I was very like simplified in terms of filters, but we have buying intent, we have job change, we have headcount growth, founded companies, all sort of filterings that we can possibly use to build a really useful lead list. So yeah, Prospeo is the first phase. The first aspect is searching within the database, and the search obviously is dynamic. So it means that if it doesn't find that specific relevant category for you, it will ask if it can slightly tune the category in order to actually get the leads. Then after the leads are found, we go into the enrichment phase. So within Prospeo here, we have different commands. We have this search prospeo.py, which is the script that we are using to search in the leads. And the second one that we are using is this enrich Prospeo, which is the script used to enrich the leads that we found within the research with verified emails. The advantage of using this kind of tool like that is that since this is a new version of Prospeo, they actually introduced a lot of different validation mechanism. They have bounce ban already integrated within there, and so all of the emails that you can get from here are already validated, and you don't need to run those through an additional email verification tool if you wanted to. So yeah, those are the two steps, and after these two steps, what we get is we get the list of leads. Now, the second step that we have is the part where we generate the sequence. So in order to generate the sequence, we have another specific skills, which is the campaign strategy skill. The campaign strategy skill is designed to create high converting cold email campaigns using proven frameworks. So what I did over here is I took a lot of different frameworks that came from my own work with over 40 plus lead generation agencies, as well as different proven framework that are generalized and they are proven to work, and then added those within this skill itself. Within the skill, we have an agentic mode. So the agentic mode means that we can pass over a document like the one that I did over here. And then if we pass that, the system reads the document, identifies the best campaign angle based on the document and also from the framework, and then generates the 4 to 5 email sequences. Now, let me show you also the email sequence file so that you can have a sense on that. And here's an example of the campaign sequence document that is created for you to review. So within the campaign sequence document, you can think about that as the document that is created with every single outreach that you will send. It will give you a little bit of an overview where you can have the target, the offering, the primary angle. It will give you the sending schedule that you can use, as well as the different emails that you can use. In this instance, what I did for the system is I wanted to have 4 emails maximum, and I wanted to have two threaded emails each. So we have email 1.1, email 1.2, email 2.1, and then email 2.2. So yeah, in this way, it generates the script. And keep in mind, in this instance, we didn't use any kind of personalization or nothing. So we wanted to create something pretty generalized, but we can improve the system more and more by adding the personalization component as well. So yeah, this is the full document. It will mention which are the variables which are used. It will mention a couple of strategy notes about why we choose a specific framework, a specific things, and it will check for the word count to make sure that emails are short and sweet. So after we finish this sequence, we have the human in the loop part to review the sequence, because with all the system, it's still important to have a human component that would preview all the emails that we generated. So as you saw within the interface, it was showing us the actual emails that were present here, and then after that we can either choose to approve or modify the sequence based on different angles that we want to change, or different keywords that we want to remove, or things of that nature. Also, by the way, another thing here is I added a document, which is a document of bound words and patterns, which generally sound AI generated. And so that is another small nugget to the system as well. Finally, the last component that we have is the push to platform, and for that we use SmartLead. SmartLead is world class when it comes to APIs, and within the system, what we can do is we can create the campaign, we can add the leads that we generated from here, and as you can see here, we have an output document which is this enrich.leads.json, which is used by SmartLead, and then it will create the sequence. In order to create the sequence, it's taking this specific document here, is parsing the different elements. So it's parsing like the copy here, the subject here, and different things like that, and then it's passing those over to Smartly so that it can be used. If I can show you in detail the skill itself, here we have the possibility to do a bunch of different things, such as creating the campaign, listing all the different available campaigns, generating the email sequence, saving the sequence, and then adding the leads. So this is the full system, and if you want the full system here, you can find that within AI Workspace Builders, where we build system like that all the time. And keep in mind, this is just an initial version. This could be improved over time and add additional components such as better mechanisms for finding the leads, better campaign strategy based on other templates, and different things like that. Over here, there's also an how to use document that explains what is the setup that you need to run through, and what is the way that you use the system, as well as how you can customize the system as well. So this was the video. Hope you like that. If you want to learn more about how to set up Claude Code in my way so that it helps with that, I think you can master the 9 building blocks of Claude Code, and you can watch this video over here for that. Thanks. Bye.